Hi guys, my name is Jeff. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, fantastic. Take a seat and stay a while. If you haven't, take a seat, stay a while. Because today we are going to look at a brand new TENBA Fulton V2 14L all-weather backpack that I just got and have not even opened out of the box. So I don't even know what it looks like, smells like, feels like, tastes like, all that stuff. You will find out at the exact same moment that I do. And I just want to tell you why I'm getting this backpack. The one that I just bought a few weeks ago, and I will put a review to it up above, that backpack is beautiful, it's functional, but I found out there's an all-weather version. And you know, I live in Seattle, it rains here, and I travel, I go places, it's always misty, rainy, whatever, and you know, I just got this Sony, A7 IV camera. I don't want it to get wet. I don't want to worry about walking around in the drizzle and something happening. So I finally bought this camera backpack that I really wanted. It just arrived, and so now let's just dive in and open the box. So here is the box, and let's get to it. Da-na-na-na-na. Okay, here we go. There we go. And it is opening from the box. And here it is in its bag. The true waterproof bag, as you can see. This is like ASMR, right? All right. Oh yes, here it is. Oh, will you look at that? Will you look at that? This is it. It's just like the one that I got a couple weeks ago, but this one is water resistant. It's got a nice kind of tacky feel to it. It's kind of like rubberized. And this is, this is the front. So when you wear it, here, when you put it on, it's like this. And this is the part that's against your back right here. And this is also where the gear goes, right there. So this is really just a test to make sure that my camera and lens will fit in this particular backpack. So let's give it a try. I'm just gonna unzip it. And that's what it looks like in there. And as you can see, there's a little pouch right here. This is the weather wrap. And I haven't opened it, but I think it's waterproof. It's got a water drop on there. Can you see that? And from what I've read in the instructions, in the description, one of these sides is foil. So if you're out shooting in the desert or where it's really sunny, you can use the silver part to reflect light away and keep things cool, right? Makes sense. And if you just want to be stealthy, you can just turn it inside out and it is black, and you can use the black wrap over it. So, fly under the radar. So let's take a look and see whether my nifty new camera will fit in here. And I can just see, taking a look here, that this is going to need to come out to fit the zoom lens. So I will take that out for now, and let's take a look. All right, so voila, there is the Sony camera. I'm just gonna step back and give myself some room here. And there is the pack, and there it goes. So that is perfect fit. Look at that. You can see it. This is what I didn't get with the 10L. I ordered this backpack, and in my haste, I did not look to see the one that I got was the TENBA Fulton V2 10L. This is the one that I wanted. This is the 14L. This is the one that fits this particular lens. And so, I think it's, for me personally, I like to have the lens that I use most on the camera. That way, when it's time to take pictures, I can just open up the bag and take it out and turn it on and shoot. And since I have a feeling I'm gonna be using this particular lens a lot, I just like the lens that's on the camera to be ready to go. So this seems to be the perfect fit for me. I like this bag. As you can see, it's a real nice design. And you know, it'll fit another lens or two. The problem with camera bags, and me, and probably a lot of other photographers, is that, you know, the more space you have in the bag, the more you'll fill it up with stuff, and then it just becomes heavier. And if you're traveling, if you're on planes and you're going here and there, it's just no fun. No fun to carry a heavy bag. And so this is really nice because you put this on and it's just such a slim fit, and I think the bag itself weighs 3 pounds empty. That's insanely lightweight. And then with the camera in it, this is really light. I have one other lens. I'm gonna just show it to you, and I'll even put it in this and you can see what it looks like. All right, here's the other lens that I got. It's a 28-75. This is also the first time, obviously this is a new bag for me. So I think what I would do, I wonder if this would fit like this. Wow. Here's a little learning moment for you and for me too. This here does not fit in one of these pockets. It's too tall. You could zip it in, but I don't think it would quite work. So, you know, come to think of it, that zoom lens would not fit in any of these either. Oh, you know what? The zoom lens might fit here, taken off. But I'm gonna have to figure out how to bring a larger lens with me because these are not fitting here in the pocket, as you can see. I guess you could just only shoot short lenses and wide angles, and that would be the trick. If you're shooting a zoom lens though, who knows? This might not be the ideal pack. I will wrap my head around this, try to figure it out. I'm sure there is a solution. This here was not fitting into the camera backpack all the way, and as you could see, I was wondering how am I going to bring this with me? Well, fortunately, when you close it like this, you can indeed zip it up and it fits in there. So anyways, there's no big deal. It fits, it works. There's always a simple solution to every problem. This front compartment will hold this part here holds a laptop, and I'm not going to get all into that in this unboxing review, but I'll put a link above to the video where I show the whole inside of the other backpack. It's the same one, it just isn't the weatherproof version. But I just wanted you to see this bag. It's real sweet. It's got a nice camo design on the top, and I think this will be the one I stick with, and I will just figure out a way to bring this camera and this zoom and the other zoom and the other camera body with me. So anyways, thank you for checking out this video. If you haven't already given it a thumbs up, please like the video and also consider subscribing, because when I make more videos about either camera bags or the Sony mirrorless cameras like the A7iv, you will be the first to know. Don't forget to hit the little bell. I'm glad you stopped by. I will see you in the next video.